Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Relaxed, where learning English is calm, simple, and natural. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. And hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today. I'm James.
Hi, James. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I feel relaxed today. And you?
I'm doing great too. Thanks. I'm happy to be here.
That is lovely to hear.
Yes, and I'm excited for our topic today.
That sounds great. So, Emma, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about free time.
Free time?
Yes, free time.
That is very nice.
We are talking about the things people like to do when they are not working and not studying.
That is a very useful topic.
Yes, everyone has free time,
That is true.
and talking about free time is a wonderful way to start conversations.
Exactly.
But before we begin, please subscribe to English Relaxed, and if this video helps you, please give it a like and share it with someone learning English. Thank you very much. Okay, James, are you ready?
I am ready.
Wonderful! James, what do you like to do in your free time?
That is a very good question.
Thank you.
Let me think. In my free time, I like to go for walks.
You like to go for walks.
Yes, I do. I enjoy walking very much.
Where do you like to walk?
I like to walk in the park and sometimes around my neighborhood.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it is peaceful. Walking helps me relax.
Walking helps you relax.
Yes, it does.
That is wonderful.
What about you, Emma? What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books.
You like to read books?
Yes, I do. I enjoy reading very much.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery books and travel stories.
Mystery books
Yes, they are exciting.
and travel stories?
Yes, they help me imagine new places.
That sounds lovely.
Thank you.
Emma, what do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to sleep a little longer.
Sleeping longer sounds nice.
Yes, it is very nice. Then I wake up slowly, make coffee, and eat breakfast.
A slow breakfast?
Yes, a calm breakfast.
That sounds perfect.
Thank you. After breakfast, I sometimes clean my apartment.
Very responsible.
I try my best.
And after that,
I listen to music or watch a movie.
that sounds like a relaxing weekend.
Yes, it is. What about you, James? What do you do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to meet friends.
You meet friends?
Yes. Sometimes for coffee, sometimes for lunch, and sometimes to play soccer.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is fun. I also enjoy being outside on weekends.
Fresh air is nice.
Very nice. Emma, you said music earlier.
Yes,
What kind of music do you like?
I like calm music, like classical music.
Classical music?
Yes, it helps me feel peaceful.
That makes sense. Do you listen at night?
Sometimes yes, and sometimes in the morning.
Very nice.
What kind of music do you like, James?
I enjoy classic rock and sometimes jazz.
Jazz?
Yes, jazz can be very smooth.
That is true. And classic rock?
Yes, it gives me energy.
Interesting. So your music gives energy, and my music gives calm. That is a good balance.
Yes, it is.
James, do you like movies?
Yes, I do. I enjoy movies very much.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Comedy movies?
Yes, I like to laugh.
Laughing is important.
Very important. What about you, Emma?
I enjoy romantic movies and animated movies.
Animated movies?
Yes, they are creative and often beautiful.
I agree. Movies are a great way to relax.
Yes, they are.
Emma, what do you like to eat when you relax?
That is an important question.
A very important question.
I like pasta, tea, and sometimes chocolate.
Excellent choices.
Thank you. What about you, James?
I like pizza, coffee, and sandwiches.
Pizza is always popular.
Yes, pizza is hard to dislike.
Very true. Do you cook?
Sometimes, but not very well.
Honest answer.
Thank you. Do you cook, Emma?
A little. Simple meals.
That is enough.
Yes, it is enough. James, do you have hobbies?
Yes, I do. I enjoy photography.
Photography,
Yes, I like taking pictures of nature.
nature pictures?
Yes, trees, clouds, flowers, sunsets.
That sounds beautiful.
It is very peaceful.
Do you take pictures with your phone?
Sometimes, yes. And sometimes with a camera.
Very nice.
Do you have hobbies, Emma?
Yes, I like painting.
Painting suits you.
Thank you.
What do you paint?
I paint flowers and people sometimes.
That sounds creative.
Painting helps me relax.
That is wonderful.
James, what do you not like doing in your free time?
I do not like cleaning for many hours.
Too much cleaning.
Yes, a little cleaning is okay. Too much cleaning is not fun.
I understand.
And I do not like crowded places.
Crowded places?
Yes, too noisy, too busy, too many people.
I understand that too.
What about you, Emma?
I do not like waking up early on weekends.
Not a morning person?
No, not on weekends. And I do not like boring television shows.
Nobody likes boring television.
Very true.
Emma, what is your perfect free day?
My perfect free day?
Yes,
Let me think. I wake up late, drink coffee, read a book, take a walk, then watch a movie at night.
that sounds like a lovely day.
Thank you. What is your perfect free day, James?
Breakfast outside, sunny weather, a walk in the park, meeting friends, pizza for dinner.
That sounds like a happy day.
Yes, very happy.
Today we used many useful English sentences.
Yes, and we did.
For example, I like to read. I enjoy walking. I usually watch movies on weekends.
I do not like crowded places.
My hobby is painting. My perfect free day is relaxing outside.
Very useful sentences.
Very useful. This was a wonderful conversation,
Yes, calm and enjoyable.
and we hope it helped you learn English naturally. Now we have a question for everyone listening. What do you like to do in your free time? Tell us in the comments below.
You can write one simple sentence. For example, I like to play soccer. I like to watch movies. I like to sleep. All answers are welcome.
Thank you for spending time with us today. Please subscribe to English Relaxed for more calm English conversations. Take care, keep learning, and keep relaxing. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.